Barrel cacti are various members of the two genera Echinocactus and Ferocactus, endemic to the deserts of southwestern North America, southward to north-central Mexico. Echinocactus grusonii, popularly known as golden barrel cactus, golden ball, or mother-in-law's cushion, is a species of barrel cactus which is endemic to east-central Mexico. Growing as a large, roughly spherical globe, Echinocactus grusonii may eventually reach over 1 meter or 3 feet in height after many years. Younger, golden barrel plants do not look similar to mature specimens. The generational lifetime is estimated to be 30 years. There may be up to 35 pronounced ribs in mature plants, though they are not evident in young plants, which may have a knobbly appearance. The sharp spines are long, straight, or slightly curved, in various shades of yellow or occasionally white. Small yellow flowers appear in summer around the crown of the plant, but only after 20 years or so. Golden barrel care is minimum. This specimen needs water infrequently. However, regular water encourages growth and is practiced on those field grown by nurseries. Drench the soil and let it dry completely before waterings. This plant does not like wet feet and will rot if it remains wet. Plant in any well-draining soil. Plant it in a safe spot in the water-wise landscape or in a container. Don't crowd it in. Leave room for new offsets called pups. These babies grow from a well-established root base, sometimes in clusters. They may be removed for planting somewhere else or left and filled in the bed. This cactus may also expand by branching. Sources say it is most appealing when planted outdoors in groupings, as an accent or even a focal point in the landscape. Sometimes the golden barrel cactus grows happily in a large container. Good companion plants include kalanchoe, Texas sage, and ice plant. Evidently, its pulp was commonly used to make cactus candy. The popularity of this candy depleted its supply, and as a consequence, it has been classified as an endangered species, so you're more likely to see it planted in gardens and less in the wild.